apartment. There's a babysitter to babysit Adrian, and it was just me and the babysitter. And the baby had diarrhea, basically. You don't ever want to walk in between the cars with no shoes on. I've seen someone do that without socks or shoes. That's what I mean. You'll probably lose a toe if you try and do that. Because the car is going to turn. Or if the train is speeding up and then it slows down, your toe is going to get pinched and probably squished right off your foot. There's something that would hurt. I don't know what
I like it. Thank you.
If you want something, you can get it out.
Really? What?
The coach people get better food, or at least the better food is closer to the coach people.
Well, where is this better food? I don't see better food here.
You gotta try one of the pepperoni pizzas. Okay, that's $3.50.
Where are the pepperoni pizzas?
They're in there. You get the point for that. You want any M&Ms?
Sure.
Okay, enjoy. See? Yeah, I know. Remember I had a...
Oh, that looks yummy. Do I get some of that? Yeah, no, buddy. Oh, wow.
What?
I'm gonna share some of that with Daddy, right?
But even his low cards are beating.
When you
Or beating
take
all low
something
cards.
up for you. Well, the thing is too, is you need something to play with. So even if you lose the two, you need something to throw.
Sure you can't just buy your own pizza?
I was just testing you. could offer to share some with me. I didn't really want any of it.
Those spread.
Sure, I would share some.
Well, you didn't want to.
If you didn't want to buy your own pizza, I would
Killing my hands. I haven't any. You have to
If
see what I
you
want.
didn't want to buy your own pizza, I would let you have some gladly.
Okay, you ready? Well, I have to deal with my part first. Okay, ready?
Oh, Lord.
So you gotta
You
shoot.
shuffle this up. You shuffle. You gotta shuffle it. We do it. Can I do it?
Got it. Put on the table like this.
One second.
You go see. That was simple, huh? Here.
Yep, that looks like a dash 9. I wonder why
What is this yellow dot mean in the middle blinking?
means you're almost out of film. That means you're almost out of film.
Where are these green blocks that go down there? And that's the part of the green. It looks like a lot of people down there are either getting on or getting off.
Yeah. We just stopped to get some fresh air, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Yep. Wow. It's the beach. Don't forget to look at that blue car. I mean, check on her. Are you gonna take a shot? Oh my. You got Aaron's glasses? No, I was actually trying to get the sun. Does he get me? Does he get me? Stop. I'm supposed to film the beach and it's supposed to look pretty. There it is. Oh. There's a car. Oh, a cross. Whoa, you're right. God, that's a huge cloud.
Yeah, well, that means it's going to come inland.
Yeah, get the sun. It's a cirrus cloud. That trailer park is gonna have a bit of rain.
Well, we're going to have a bit of rain. We live about 10 miles in. Not rain, it'll just be very...
Pretty beach. Yeah. Pretty beach.
It's kind of cloudy. I mean,
Pretty
looks like
beach.
fog.
Pretty beach. Pretty, pretty
And then
beach.
it ends
Pretty.
up about 10,
Pretty.
30
Very
miles
pretty.
long.
That is one beautiful beach. Very pretty beach. Pretty out. Wow. What was that noise? Oh, it's the toilet. Oh, nice rock. It's the lovely, lovely toilet. Oh, it's a beautiful and rock. The urines. It's the urine smelling toilet.
Okay, let's not waste the tape.
Yeah, let's not waste the tape on him. Seriously. I think my dad.
3 minutes of tape left. And we're gonna film out there.
I am filming out there, Daddy. You can see the tape move. Where? What? Right there. 3 minutes of tape left.
This is what I think is the coolest part of the whole ride.
Hello. Hi. You do? Do not film me one more time. Got it?
Are you filming the wires?
No, I don't think so. The wires are beautiful. Oh my gosh. They're adorable. You don't want me to film the wires? Okay. Why not? I'll zoom in, but then I'm only going to get the water. It's the question of the universe. It's really, I can only get the wires. It's not like I can't get the wires. Whoa, look at that smoke! Look at that smoke! Look at that smoke!
Where's that coming from?
Aaron, it's from the train.
It is?
Oh my goodness.
Where is that smoke coming from?
Did you see that? Whoa, whoa. That's kind of freaky. Yes, my highness.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are getting so close to point conception. If you look out to the right of the train, the point looks even smaller now. And as I told you, just absolutely gorgeous. South of the point,
Smaller,
no
should be
longer
looking
no longer foggy. We'll have a gorgeous sunset all the way into Ventura. Again, this is
Yeah, after all, it's not like things get bigger when you go away from them.
It's not 3 hours behind anymore.
That's, hello, children.
He's wasting film on and then tape on us.
Don't film this thing. Don't film this wall.
And you wouldn't get the wire. Oh, you bend down now to get the wire.
You filmed that! You filmed this!
Alright, turn it off.
Turn it off.
Hey, don't film that. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that's great.
Look, there's cows.
Film the cows, film the cows. Where are they?
Filming
Oh.
cows, peeps.
Hey!
What?
Nothing.
He gets really mad when somebody calls him a name that he doesn't even.
Sorry.
Now that guy closed.
Well, so I've been called
That
Peanut.
guy closed the door because we were making too much noise.
I've even been called Peanut by a nurse.
No, my hair's
Cool, look at her hair. Film her hair.
Just because it's static. Let's see that. Okay, let's just make that static. Alright, rub it against the wall. Let's make it static. Ooh, wow, it's getting static. It's getting staticky. Oh, now that.